Oh shit.
Go, Joey! Come on, Joey!
Oh! Yes, that's a boy.
You're down here in the country, boy? Yeah, buddy.
It's like this is from wait. You ready? 4:50 in the morning.
4:50 in the morning.
Y'all were best.
They were like banging each other's heads on the wall and stuff. I was like, yo, dog, like, what the hell? I'm sleeping in a different room tonight.
Alright, so we're up in Sacramento, California, and we're here at Capital Edge Paintball Park for the West Coast Invitational 2020. And we're here just to check out the field. We're gonna be walking up to it in a bit. You can see what's up. It's the first time that everybody here is seeing it. Everybody just got here on the drive up.
How long was that drive?
6 hours.
After a 6-hour drive, we made it.
So she good, bro.
Hi. This man is one of the OGs of
What's up?
SYG Chef. First trip.
Who is this dude? Who is this dude? Shout out to my guy Gunny one time. Alright, so I don't know what to expect.
No, I grabbed my seatbelt a couple times.
I don't think any of us know what to expect. We're about to walk up. It's gonna be a field reveal for the first time. We're gonna see. Just so y'all know, this is an outdoor SpeedQB field on turf. We got the S gang. We missing 2 right now too.
We've never had a group this big, huh?
I don't think so. This is the first.
Oh my god. It's Michael.
Yo, it's a gang, man.
Oh my god, it's right. Wow.
Damn.
If this shit is hot, this shit will take your skin off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Everything in the background is gonna disappear, and it's probably just gonna be boom right here. Flashlights on, you know.
See, it is set up like EU right now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This is Europe layout, bro. Hey, the castle's smaller though.
Oh my goodness.
It's tiny, bro. Look, your ankle's out right now.
Yeah, we're not gonna go there then.
Ooh, this nigga doing parkour. Hi guys, here.
Welcome to Capital Edge Paintball Park.
And just so y'all see, it's the turf and it's got like the black, like, what would you consider this?
Notice here, it's astral. It's got some kind of herb life in there. Straight from the moon when it gets nighttime.
When it gets nighttime. All right, dog. First impressions. This shit looks small. Like, can I talk off the record here? Not on the camera. I can't even stand behind a pole barrier. That shouldn't be like that.
It's not proportioned right.
All right, y'all. So my honest first impressions.
It's not proportioned right.
I like the field, but the way they have it laid out currently,
It's not proportioned right.
feels like everything's too close. From the starting gate to the first bunkers, feels like those are a little too far out, and it also feels like everything's a little bit too pushed into the middle. So I don't know. I'm gonna talk to the guys. We're gonna see what we can do to set up to utilize this space, because look at this, is so much open ground right here. All right, so we're actually about to get to work and move some of these barriers and get some spray paint going. And yeah, we're just gonna set this up nicely, set this up right, so that way everyone has an even and fair playing field.
Hey, listen up. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna run 2 squads because we're fucking mobbing deep right now. I think the best course of action for story is that we run the same 5 that we ran in Oregon. The other squad, we're gonna make it Marty, Dom, Roosta, Chef, Gunny.
Oh, that's scary. Look at y'all. God damn. That's a scary ass 5, bro. That was ugly. That was ugly, but it was so smooth, bro. That was nice. Alright, y'all, so we are back. day 1 of the tournament. Well, it's the day of the tournament.
Day of the
Day 2 on a trip, you feel me? And teams are here.
We're about to come back, check out the field.
We about to check the field out again, see who's here. And we gonna get it. You ready, bro?
Bro, you don't even know.
Pat, you ready, bro?
I'm shirtless. What do you mean?
I don't even have to ask DJ, but are you ready, bro?
I got my caffeine. I'm chilling.
That's all he needs. All right, E. Day of the tournament. Talk to us, bro.
If you see me getting quiet later, hold on. If you see me getting quiet later, it's not because I'm not being nice, it's because I'm in my zone. So that's what it is today. That's all I gotta say about that.
So y'all see the layout we worked on yesterday, finalized. Team scoping it out. Taco's in the building.
Hey, how you doing, baby? Good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Oh, man.
What's good?
Dreams coming true today, boy.
It's good. How y'all been? How y'all living?
Man,
Good?
chilling. I'm
What you-
excited for this.
What'd you think about the field?
Bro, it's legit.
This is crazy.
But I'm bigger than the average.
Yeah, it's a little small. It's a little small, honestly. They got the measurements off just a little bit, but
Legit, though.
they make
I'm
it work.
messing with it so hard.
Yeah, this is fire.
That's clean as fuck.
And it's on turf, too. This
It's
is
so open, too.
crazy.
That's what I love about it.
No, I love that, too. It's open, it's small, it's challenging. It challenges everybody.
The other way.
Yeah, we had it the other way. We had to turn it, though.
This way, so you have to play this like this.
And we was like, nah, hold on, let's turn it. Let's make it work for everybody, you feel me? It's about to go down, man. Finna be lit. I'm excited. Shout out to all the Norcal teams that are registered and here, all the players that are here. I haven't even been vlogging. I just been sitting here connecting with people, talking with people. That's the best feeling, man. It's all the convos that are had off camera, all the stuff that I don't put on the vlog, you feel me? And really just connecting with people. So again, shout out to Sacktown, shout out to Norcal. And yeah, bro, let's get it. We lit, go time, second game of the day, our first round. Let's get it, we playing Asylum, shout out to the boys. Y'all see me, Sharkeisha, AEG out. Went wireless today.
I'm gonna keep it real simple. Chess, not checkers. Turn on the switch, don't be a bitch. SYG on me, SYG on 3. 1, 2, 3. SYG!
So after the first round, I felt really comfortable using my gun. I had this upper rail on Sharkeisha, but what I did was I took it off and I swapped to the shorty so I can play a little tighter. And if I do gotta move up, I'll be a little more agile, a little more active with this. So we'll see how this runs out there next game. Team 2 about to run.
That's that, bro. Let's just turn up one time.
Alright, so Ruth is letting me run the Mambasita. Hey, one pit, one pit! Give me this shit. So when I was using Pat's gun, he's shooting heavier BBs than I am, so all my BBs were flying to the sky. Plus I was playing in the back, and with that setup, naturally, for me, at least, I want to be a little bit more aggressive. So next round, we'll see. We're going to swap it up and see if I can be a little bit more aggressive. So what's going on, bro?
Alright, so pretty much, we both have 2 more games left. That being said, if SYG Team 1 wins their game, they move on to semifinals. Now, S-Gang, which is Team 2, if we win, we also move on to semifinals.
I do too, but I don't see you.
Meaning, we are going to be facing each other, which is going to be a bloody battle. It's going to be a lot of overshooting.
Oh.
So, let's just get it. We should actually find out it's double elimination, meaning whether one of us lose or not, we still get a chance to come back to the actual finals and get that done.
Why? Because we're undefeated?
It doesn't matter if we're undefeated or not. We have to lose one time, right? To get to the loser bracket. Meaning, let's say we lose or they lose, they get another chance to meet us at the finals.
Oh, you have to fight your way out of it?
Yeah.
Yo, so unfortunately, I'm not really allowed to film on the field because of the way they have everything set up. And for the rest, I don't want it to be a distraction. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a little bit of breakout footage of the squad, but I won't really have too much third-person footage. I'm sorry, guys. It's just the rules out here. What were you doing over here, bro? What were you doing right here, bro? Hold on.
Bro, so this is my bread and butter, literally, the whole tournament. So pretty much right here, you can see exactly what you guys are getting him, and then it can go a little bit farther directly into that left corner.
Ooh.
Once I go from there, I'm pretty much running in. Jump shot this way, left corner. Again, went from Snake Devil to the Angle King.
You gotta do. You gotta. Once you get in here, this little general area, you know. I like to call this home. What I've been doing all day is just getting here right off the break. I peek in, take out that right corner. Once that right corner is gone, ain't nobody else looking at this side of the field. So what I've been doing is, once I get that right corner, I just peek in at that Dorito right there. If that's what you want to call it.
Yellow?
Yeah. You see it? See? That one right there. I get that one. Corner. Once that's out, nobody's looking at me anymore. As soon as I get up, my gun's straight to the back left. Back left, because that's the only person that would be looking inside at me. Once I get him out, the rest is history. That's a 5-piece.
Hey man, if I don't do it, y'all gonna see his clip. Dom. He said 5-piece combo. And he did that with this. With this joint. Why?
Just so I can prepare myself mentally. Because I get lit the fuck
So
up
from this side, I think I'm gonna go snake, honestly. D, okay, real quick, should I wrap it or just go left side of the wall side of wrap it? Just to take a bit.
Let's do it.
Home!
I hate y'all! Man, give me this fucking flag, bro. They stole it from me. Hey, so dude, I'm gonna need y'all to swag that out next time, bro. How they gonna steal the highlight and not swag out on it? As soon as I saw him run there, I was like, I'm gonna run him down. I thought I was gonna hit another 360 in Norcal, but you know, no. Teammates didn't want to let that happen. Yo, tall ass should have hit a fucking 540, bro. No, it's funny. Alright, so it's about to be SYG versus S Gang. We about to play against each other.
Alright guys, so we're actually going to be playing against each other right now. It's going to be SYG1 versus S Gang.
Yeah, he did. Y'all saw that flinch?
You guys know what's coming up, right? So it's going to be nothing but blood on the field. That being said, it's going to be a long game. We both play exactly the same. We know exactly how we run, how we play. Stay tuned, it's going to be interesting, guys.
Hey, bring it in, boys. Bring it in, bring it in. That's what you got me up there, please.
The real one!
SYG, we made it to finals, you know. Currently on the field right now is Asylum versus S-Game, so SYG 2. Ooh, got him out of there. What's up? What happened? What happened?
He might be dehydrated. Hey, we need water over here.
Hey, we need water. Hey, get some water. Alright, for sure. I got him.
That's the way to do it. Take your backpack off, back to the road.
Somebody want to take his gun?
I got his gun right here.
We'll take a seat, bro.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
And this is why
I need to run.
This is why we gotta work out. Marty!
That's why he don't run.
Hey, but you went hard out there, bro. Good shit.
Guys, it was a 1v1. I had zero idea it was a 1v1. And then I saw him on the back left corner. Got him out. I don't know how. My vision was already fucked up because I'm dehydrated. And then I got up, out of air already when I got up. And then when I went to go look for the flag, that's where I felt like my body gained so much heat where I thought that I was gonna pass out. And I actually wanted to throw up like so bad. I touched the wall. I actually felt the puke coming out.
Oh.
But I stopped it. I swallowed it. And then I kind of just
You a real one,
laid
bro.
on the floor, and I had everybody surround me, and it was gone. Other than that, no more, guys. I'm out.
Alright, so it's SYG and S-Gang in the final. Rematch.
Fuck out of here, Knuckles.
I'm just saying I love y'all, man. Hey, man. Hey, so where you going, bro? Hey, Pat, you need me to cover you, bro? Where you go? What the fuck? We got Dom and Chef on this corner. Yeah. Hey, stick 50. Fuck you, Dom. Good shot. Oh, what the fuck? Get him out. He's out. Oh no, he's not. What the fuck? Hey, is it just one? What the fuck? You're joking. Here on stick. Right here on stick. 50, snake 50. Inside. Get him out. What's the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear. I had to get payback for last time. I wasn't letting you move, bro. Good shit.
Did you see my GoPro in there or something?
I saw your beanie. Good shit, boys.
Good shit, on that one? Yeah. I was honestly like really just tired.
Good shit, baby. Good shit. Shit. Hell yeah. Love you, bro. Alright, that's a wrap. I'm tapped out. The squad's tapped out. Got the W. That shit was fun. Hey, hold up. I gotta get Frank on the vlog real quick when he's not expecting. How you doing, bro? How you feeling reffing out here, bro?
It's cool as hell. It's actually my first time reffing like this. So, that's alright. I mean,
look, bro's shy right now. He don't want to talk to the camera. It's all good. Hey, cheers up, y'all.
Cheers.
Congrats on the W.